dictation will be start in 10 seconds, so be ready for the dictation. Start. The issue which arises for consideration is as to whether a criminal appeal would, at the instance of a victim, be maintainable before a division bench of a high court against order of acquittal passed by an appellate court subordinate to the high court. The facts relevant for deciding the issue fall in a narrow compass and are not in dispute. The appellant Jainath Prasad lodged a first information report against respondent number 2 Brahma Prasad and three others, namely Chandra Prakash Devi, Ramesh Kumar and Ram Sundar Das, wherein it was alleged that respondent number 2 Brahma Prasad, with aid of other accused persons, made negotiations for sale of some of his land and in the process executed different sale deeds in favor of the informant, whereupon the informant took possession of the land and his name was also mutated, but sometime thereafter the informant learnt that wife of the Brahma Prasad had also filed a petition in the Anchal office, for mutation of the land which was sold in his favor, and upon enquiry the informant learnt that Brahma Prasad had already executed a prior sale deed in favor of his wife with respect to the same land which he subsequently sold to the informant. Feeling cheated, the informant lodged the report as mentioned herein before, with the police, which gave rise to Kesaria PS case number 93 of 1990 under sections 406, 420, 467, 468, 471, 34 of the Indian Penal Code. Upon investigation, police submitted charge sheet against all the three accused named in the first information report under section 406 420 467 468 471 of the Indian Penal Code. Charges were accordingly framed under sections 406, 420, 467, 468 and 471, read with section 34 of the Indian Penal Code. To the charges so framed, all the pleaded not guilty. In course of time, the learned trial court, on consideration of the materials on record, convicted Brahma Prasad under sections 417 of the Indian Penal Code, whereas other accused persons were acquitted of all the charges. The informant did not prefer any appeal against acquittal of the three accused persons or even against acquittal of respondent number 2 Brahma Prasad of the offences under sections 406, 420, 468 and 471, read with section 34 of the Indian Penal Code. Rather, it was respondent number 2 Brahma Prasad who filed a appeal under section 374 within bracket 3 within bracket A of the Code of Criminal Procedure bracket start, herein after referred to as the code bracket close. And over.